In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can correctly unmount or eject a USB drive so that you don't lose data on it on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And from here, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, you want to go down and tap on battery and device care. Then tap on storage. Next, you want to tap on the more button at the top and tap on advanced. In advanced, you want to tap on the USB drive that you are using and then tap on unmount. And that's it. Once it is correctly unmounted, you can then pull out to eject your USB drive. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.